and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. FRRO Nigerian nexus saga. Prudent asked Nigerians whether they bribe FRRO to overstay. Nigerians refuse to react, behave aggressively. PWD hot mixing work orders worth 1 crore 65 lakhs without tender raises eyebrows. Contracts were awarded last year, Minister says it was an emergency. MOEF decides to declare 60,000 square kilometers of Western Ghats as no development zone, issues notices to concerned panchayats. State may get more than 10,000 crore rupees from auction of illegal ore. Not much benefit for dependents. Miners call the SC order as detrimental for all. Custom officials confiscate 2.8 kg gold at Dabuli Airport. Detain 3 Tamilians. 5th case in last 4 months. Vodafone GFDC Inter-Center League football kicks off on Sunday. Over 300 under-12 children will battle to win Rising Stars Football Festival. And Australian cyclist Matt Brice sets off on fundraising event from Goa to Varanasi. Prabhu Desai flags of cycling event promises to solve skating problems at Patorda. Now the news in detail. News 66 website expose on foreign regional registration office accommodating Nigerians illegally in return for hefty bribes has shocked many. Prudent caught up with the Nigerian outside Sarasab jail to confirm the revelations. Nigerian refused to even react on FRRO factor. Regarding drugs and illegal stay, he feigned innocence. But surprisingly, there was no denial on allegations of bribing the FRRO by foreigners for illegal overstay. Watch the report.
It was alleged by some Nigerians in Mumbai that the foreigners' regional registration office officials take monthly bribes ranging from 10,000 to 1 lakh rupees to accommodate illegally overstaying foreigners. In an interview to the website News 66, some Nigerians have levelled these allegations on the regional FRRO. The payments ranges from 5,000 to 10,000 rupees per month. Some foreigners were paying 1 lakh rupees for overstay of 8 months. Goa FRRO officials refused to comment. They neither admitted nor denied. Prudent caught up with a Nigerian.
So that most of the Nigerians are indulged in the drug cases. They are doing the drugs business in Goa. What do you want to say on that?
That is their business. I cannot say for what I don't know, right? I'm here with my valid visa. My visa expires, I go and I do genuine business, right? As I'm talking to you now, I don't know what is wrong and I haven't seen it for the first. So whatever thing anybody are doing is for him, not for me. I only know myself.
But when we asked Nigerian to react on alleged corruption at FRRO office, which says that office accepted heavy bribes to accommodate Nigerians illegally, the Nigerian preferred to move out of the scene without even refuting the allegations.
There is one allegation by some people who are staying in Mumbai that FRRO, they are.
Excuse me. You can only ask me for what's happening on my city. I don't know what is going on in Mumbai.
No. Suppose some people don't have.
Excuse me, please.
Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
PWD work orders worth 1 crore and 65 lakh rupees issued under quotation system for hot mixing Panji bus stand has raised many eyebrows. These works were allotted without any tendering process. Work orders were issued last year. Minister Sudhin Daulikar clarified that road at Panji bus stand was totally in shackles and hence it required immediate repairs. Watch our report. Was this a blunder or need of the hour? PWD issued work order for hot mixing of Panji bus stand road in a dubious manner. Department allotted works worth 1 crore 65 lakhs under call of quotation category without tendering it. Works under quotation are undertaken only if there are emergencies like landslides or road breakage. But what emergency did Panji bus stand have that PWD had to allot hot mixing work in a hurried manner? Prudent directly contacted PWD Minister Sudin Daulikar.
साधारण सप्टेंबराच्या एंडा तेन्ना सबंद मिडिया वर्तमानपत्रां आनी लोक कदंबाच्या बस स्टँडा विशीं उलोवपाक लागले. इवन बस ओनर्स एसोसिएशन आशिल्लें तांणी एक दीस स्ट्रायक केलो, लोकांनी आंदोलनां केली. तेन्ना गव्हर्मेंटान इट इज परमिटेड अंडर 2.1 ऑफ CPWD मॅन्युअल बाय अप्रुवींग दीस शॉर्ट टेंडर्स बाय GSWB गोवा वर्क्स एडवायझरी बोर्ड कमिटी. हे एकूच टेंडर भरून वयले जे रुफींग केलां तें केलें आनी पेंटींग केलां तें केलें आनी दीस फूल वर्क वॉज कंप्लिटेड बिफोर 31st डिसेंबर. कारण 31st ऑफ डिसेंबराक भरपूर लोक गोंयांत येता.
There were only 3 bidders for the work and surprisingly all were from Ponda.
शॉर्ट टेंडराक तिगूय जाण फोंडेचेच कोट करपी सापडले.
शॉर्ट टेंडर जे आसता ते आमी पब्लीश करना. शॉर्ट टेंडर हे आमी ह्याचेर नोटीस बोर्डार मारतात. ज्या दिसा नोटीस बोर्डार तें टेंडर मारलां, ज्या कोणी हें टेंडर घेतलां ताणें आनी ताजे जाण जाल्ल्या मनशांनी हें टेंडर कोट केल्लें आसा. आतां हें टेंडर हांवें एक्सेप्ट करुना किंवा इंजिनियरांनी एक्सेप्ट करना. GSWB जे गोवा स्टेट वर्क एडवायझरी बोर्ड आसा पळय तांणी एक्सेप्ट केल्लें आसा. सो हांगा माल प्रॅक्टिसीस कांय ना, कारण हेडेड बाय चीफ सेक्रेटरी एंड फायनान्स सेक्रेटरी एंड सेक्रेटरी.
2 or 3 types of works were given under call of quotation system for hot mixing Panji bus stand. Those are pending. Even the gutters at Panji bus stands are awaiting repairs. Bureau Report, Prudent. MOEF on Wednesday issued direction to Goa and other states prohibiting development work in environmentally sensitive area of Western Ghat. Development activity like mining, quarrying, sand extraction, etc. is prohibited till further orders. These directions are issued based on recommendations of Western Ghat High-Level Working Group. High-Level Working Group highlighted the need for urgent action for protection of Western Ghats.
High-level working group under the chairmanship of Dr. K. Kasturi Rangan submitted its report on Western Ghats on 15th April of this year. Due to unprecedented threats to natural landscape of Western Ghats region by developmental projects and urban growth, the working group has recommended a non-tolerance policy with respect to highly interventionist and environmentally damaging activities like mining or polluting industries. The group has highlighted the need for urgent action for protection of biologically rich, diverse and natural landscape of Western Ghats. Based on the high-level working group recommendation, MOEF have prohibited following activities in environmentally sensitive areas of Western Ghats: mining, quarrying and sand mining, thermal power plants, building and construction projects of 20,000 square meter area and above, township and area development projects with an area of 50 hectares or with built-up area of 1,50,000 square meter and above. Red category of industries. These directions are not for those cases which have received by EACS or MOEF or SEACS or SEIAAS before the date of putting HLWG report on the website of the ministry, but no pending case or any fresh case shall be considered. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
State government will benefit by more than 10,000 crore rupees by e-auctioning illegal ore that is already extracted. Experts in Prudent's debate mentioned that mining dependents will not get much of the advantage from the auctioning process. Miners call the recent decision of the Supreme Court detrimental for all.
सुरुवात तुमचे कडच्यान करता. What is the reality? म्हणजे सामान्य लोकांक कळपा खातीर हाजी परिणाम कितें, what are the consequences आणि कितें जातलें दिसता?
State of Goa has won. The Goa government gets a bonanza, which they did not even pray for. And 3, the Goa Foundation has also won.
आता एकदा लिजीस दिल्ली आसा ताजे पर्टिक्युलर ओर काडपाक अलाव केलो तो काढलो ताज्याहून एक्स्ट्रा आसता ओर becomes the property of the public. पूण अजून because that is not decided की 2007 लिजीस सोंपल्या काय ना ते डिसिजन जालें ना म्हणून कोर्टान ते ई ऑक्शन करून ते पैसे एका सेपरेट इस्क्रो अकाउंटात.
सो तुम्ही म्हणतात की सद्याक जो फायदो आहा तो फकत स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंटाक आसा
अशें म्हणूंक शकना कारण तो पैसो एकादलो फाल्यां समज लिजीस वॅलीड आनी सबसिस्टिंग म्हणून डिसायड जालें जाल्यार त्या रिस्पेक्टिव्ह मायनोरां मेळटलो.
कायद्यान हरीश बाब जेन्ना सरकारच सांगता की हे जे केलां ते चुकीचें आनी कायद्याक बसना म्हणून फाल्यां तुमकां अपेक्षा की सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या की वेगळें कितें तरी सांगतलो तुमकां.
हय हांव रिव्हिजन फायल करता न्ही हांव करतलोच न्ही कित्याक म्हाका दिसता की म्हजी चूक तातूंत कसलीच ना. सपोज यू ऑप्शन दवर आनी दीस कर्नाटका पीपल से नाव वी वॉन्ट टू बाय दीस ओर एंड दे सक्सीड इन देयर ई ऑप्शन will they use our Goan tippers to transport the material to Karnataka? So that is a question that many truck owners are asking me.
No, I think trucks should be the central this thing of entire exercise because they are the largest.
They are the largest dependents.
20,000 लोक 10,000 म्हणून पाहतात.
ती जी स्टेटस आसा की 2007 उपरांत डीम्ड एक्सटेंशन दिल्या ती चुकीची आनी इल्लीगल ताजो परिणाम
डीम्ड एक्सटेंशन
दिलना. हय
they may take a decision
दिनासतना जे जालें ते इल्लीगल.
Correct.
बरोबर. So in that scenario,
no, but they may
impact किती जातलो ताजो कोर्टान
they may take a decision to grant leases retrospectively.
But it is not permitted in law.
No. See, these are matters which are yet to be decided.
स्टेटीक कितलो रेव्हेन्यू येवपाक शकता?
कमीत कमी म्हजे प्रमाणे 11,000 कोटी येतलो.
11,000 कोटी म्हळ्यार मुखाल्ली 5-6 वर्साची गव्हर्नमेंटाक चिंता आसपाची गरज ना. कोणाच फायद्याची कोणाच्या नुकसानाची?
सगळ्यांचे नुकसान आहा हातूंत कोणाचो फायदो ना.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
Custom official confiscated 2.8 kg gold at Dabuni airport. 3 Tamilians are detained by the officials. The trio travelled from Dubai to Goa via Mumbai. Around 1.7 kg gold was hidden in fruity boxes and about 1.1 kg gold was brought hiding in the rectum. This is the 5th case in 4 months. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.